How is it going, guys? Drew Peacock here, back with another video. And the other night, a few buddies and I went down to Mexico and had some fun with our cars. Of course, there was me and my little 3-valve. There was a WHIPPLE GT350, absolutely insane. There was a Supercharged M3 on E85 methanol. I mean, this car is just modded to no return. It was really fun. There were a few other cars, including my buddy's Lambo, a 5.0, and a Camaro SS1LE, but the three fast cars were my 3-valve, the GT350, and the M3. So what you're about to see is a bunch of runs with those three cars. Hope you guys enjoy.
Tell them 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Might be a little bit of both, and our brakes.
Want to do one more, or
after the turn, maybe? Yeah, that was a good race. Did he hook?
So, I don't know.
Well, he didn't catch us, that's for sure.
You don't have a lot to do though. You got to do it.
No.
All
Alright, you're gonna have to tell him again. Yeah, bro, what the fuck?
I made sure you saw me. I made sure.
Yeah.
I was like, you got me, you got me. I was like, look at me, you know what I mean?
Did we win that one?
Yeah, he won that one.
Okay. Alright, I want to race Jimmy before my ship blows up or something. Late, right off of second. I don't know if you noticed.
We kind of lost it a little on the hit too, but it doesn't matter. You got it anyway.
Yeah.
It's hard for them to, well, if he wants to do one more.
I mean, we could, but I don't got that much room, and I don't got big brakes like him. took Jimmy again. Did he? I mean, he saw you, right?
I know we're trying to sink it too, you and I.
Yeah.
I know. You have to.
They actually got a jump on it because of it.
That's
yeah.
fine. That's fine.
Yeah, they can have it.
Yeah, you can have it.
Well, here we go. I mean, we're pulling on him. I am. Yep. Bro, I'm not even redlining it on him. He did?
That's okay.
He needs to.
I actually just had to take a hit.
Yeah.
Put yourself where you want, don't keep up with them, and hit him. When you hit
Let's let them run. Let them run. This is a good stretch.
I know, this is what I was talking about.
I think Jimmy wants to go. Should we do it?
Dude, he's telling GT350 to go over.
good race.
Dude, I saw my life flash before my eyes.
That's probably the fastest I've ever gone in this bitch. My shit tops out at 140, it says, so I can't tell. We gotta ask him.
What the fuck was that?
Did he got us up, right? Or it was like neck and neck? We'll have to see.
Go third, don't go second.
I get worried that the tires are gonna blow out.
That's what I was worried about. I was worried about your fronts.
You think the fronts would go?
Yeah, I don't think they're speed rated for that shit. The rears are fucking drag slicks. They gotta be rated for something.
I mean, they're nittos up front, so they gotta be somewhat
Yeah,
good.
but I don't think they're like, look at the rating on them. They're probably like fucking to 150 or something. Like, sketch. Bro, that's cool.
That was a good run.
Finally.
I'm telling you, man, I got that manual transmission on lock.
What the fuck?
Yeah, I think we should lay low for now, though. That was a good one to end on. We pushed our luck.
Don't push it.
Yeah.
Bro.
Anyway, guys, after a few hours of driving back from Mexico, we all got home safely. All of our cars survived. That was one of the most fun nights I've ever had out in Mexico. It is really fun to just get a really small group, drive down south and have fun with our cars and see what they can really do. And I was honestly surprised that my little tiny 3-valve could keep up with such a behemoth of a GT350. That car is no joke. I'm sure if he gets better tires, then it's going to be a different story, but it was really fun, man. That was a crazy ass car. The M3, if it gets a new supercharger head unit, then it's going to be a tank. The supercharger head unit is a little bit old, but other than that, man, a whole lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a thumbs up and comment down below what you guys think. I finally got some good ass races and I'm just really happy about it. Anyway, subscribe to see more videos like this one, and until next video, peace.